Okay, this video is how to fix curb rash on your wheel. Like this has curb rash that starts here and goes all along this wheel, all the way down over here. All right, so I've already washed this wheel. That's why I have it inside. I washed it, I've dried it off, and you'll see a video of that next. But after that, I'm gonna have to sand. What I'm gonna do is sand this down. I'm gonna use my drill and this adapter with sandpaper. This is a 3-inch little circular adapter that goes into the drill and it'll spin. And what I'm going to start with is 120 grit sandpaper, and then I have 180 grit sandpaper, then I have, I believe, 400 grit, and then I have 2000 grit. I have 3000 grit, but I don't know if I'm going to have to go that far. I'll see what it looks like after 2000 grit and see if I want to go to 3000 grit or not. My eyes aren't the best close up, so it may look great to me, but I don't know, some of you hawk-eyed people may not appreciate it. But after that, after I finished all the sanding and cleaning it again and drying it off, I'm gonna spray some 2K clear coat on it. I'm gonna spray 2 coats of 2K clear coat on it, just to keep any dirt and grime and whatever out of whatever's left here, and hopefully that will make it look pretty darn good. All right, let's go. All right, so I put the Comica mic on because the birds are really chirping out here today. I'm outside. I'm going to wash this rim. All right, as you can see, here's the curb rash. It's really bad right here. It's like the worst part. I think that's where it actually pushed my Jeep Wagoneer off the wall, pushed me over, and then there's the rest of it. So this is just under half of the wheel has curb rash on it now. So what I'm going to do, and this is the OE Performance rim, style 169MB, and it's machined finish on the outside and black interior, as you can see here, machined with black. And what I'm going to try to do is take off all this curb rash. So first thing I need to do is clean it because it has dirt, dust, grime, grease, brake dust all over it. So, and I don't want that to be sanded into the aluminum. What I have to clean this is McGuire's car wash, shampoo and conditioner. It's in here with water. I have a wash rag. This is normally what I clean when the tire's on the car, so I don't think I'll need that. I have some other brushes in here if I need them. I have a little squeegee, so foam. So let's get cracking. I'll set this right here. This is fairly heavy. It might be 50 pounds. So first thing I'll do is wash this off. Rough around the edges here of the scuffed up part. See if it does anything for it, just to try and get anything that's inside there out. Just kind of maybe stuck in there. wash that off. While I have it up here, I might as well do the inside too, right? Flip it over. Do this side. All right, not much. One final wash or shower down, and I think she'll be good to go. Probably just leave the cap off for now, center cap. All right. Now I'll dry it. How's it look up there? Can you see? Guess I should have checked that before, huh? So that's it, folks. She's cleaned up. You can see, hopefully, the edges here. And here's that tough spot right here. Roughest spot anyway. There's a couple of other places here that are dug in pretty deep, but that's it. She's washed now. I'm gonna let her dry, and then I'll get to sanding. Like I said earlier, I've got 120 grit to start. You can see that. And I'll just start sanding away here. All right, maybe my phone overheated. I went through the 120 grit and the 180 grit, and this is what it looks like so far. So I knocked out all those pits and grooves. And the next thing I'll do is the 400 grit, and then the 2000, and then maybe the 3000. We'll see. 400 grits on here. All right, that was 400. Now we're going to go to the 2000 grit. See how this does. It's a lot better than being all beat up, I'll tell you that. Tell there's some spots here, but it's so much better than it was. Well, let's hit it with the 3000. Why not? We have it. $3,000.
Hands go up and the lights go out. Pour me up some shots, I'll take another round. 'Cause when the DJ plays that brand new song, I can take one more and party all night long. Hands go up and the lights go out. Pour me up some shots, I'll take another round. 'Cause when the DJ plays that brand new song.
All right, my phone keeps dying out here because it's too hot. But this is after all that sanding, going from the 120 to 180 to 400 grit to 2000 grit to 3000 grit. So now I'm gonna wash the wheel, and then later on I will, once it dries, I'll spray some 2K clear coat on it, and we'll see what it looks like after that. We'll have to say there were spots around here that were dirty and dark. Since the wheel was already wet, I went ahead and sanded it wet, and it took out those brown spots. There were some dark spots in here, and it took those right out. So it looks even better now. Show you real quick what I meant. There's a kind of a spot right here that's dark. So got it wet and used 2000 grit. To just kind of take off. It was real light, and it took off that dark spot. Makes this look a lot better. like I said, not perfect, but it's not going to be perfect. It's been you know, beat up with road rash and damaged. So yeah, it'll be much more presentable now. So this is it. What I'm going to do is dry it off with a towel now, and then it'll be the 2K clear coat going on soon after. Beautiful. Get some cardboard to go underneath there. Wanted to let you know what kind of clear coat I'm using. This is the Easy Repair Automotive ERA Paints 2K High Gloss Clear Coat. One 11.8 ounce can. What you do is you spray it once for the first coat, fairly light coat. Wait 10 minutes between, you know, other coats. Up to 4 coats they said is good, but I'm just going to do a couple of coats and then I'll be done. All right, the wind is blowing this way. This is where all the curb rash was. So I've got it. I've got the wheel over here where the wind is blowing. So I'm going to get this wind out of here as fast as possible. I'm supposed to wear a mask for this. It's the only mask I have. So I'm supposed to shake this. I'm supposed to shake this for 2 minutes and then press this down here and then shake it for another 2 minutes to get it to activate. So right now I'm gonna hit this. There we go. Supposed to shake it for 2 more minutes. And it says the first coat should be a light coat. Looks like the wind's blowing this way right now, so and I'm going to coat the whole thing. All right, now I'm going to wait 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes later. Bring you in and show you what it looks like so far. So it's the start of the road rash here, and it runs around all the way around here, and it ends right here. So this is after 2 coats of clear coat, but of course it hasn't dried yet. It's better than all those gashed in areas, I tell you that. So it's not bad. I guess to me it's worth it to have done this. It's my first time ever. All right, what do you guys think of that? If you liked the video, go ahead and please click like, and please subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching the channel, watching our videos. If you enjoy them, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like our videos, comment below if you see something we're doing wrong. I'm not the professional. This is my first time ever trying to take off curb rash from an aluminum wheel. So what I did is I washed the wheel first, got all the dirt, grime, brake dust off of it. Used that drill adapter with my drill to sand down the curb rash area. Polished it as much as I could. Went down to 3000 grit sandpaper, and then washed it again. Got all that I'd sanded away, and that was all over the wheel. I got that off of it, and then sprayed it with 2K clear coat. 2 coats of 2K clear coat. Say that 3 times fast. All right. Again, hope you appreciated the video, and I hope you guys have a great day. All right. Goodbye. Whew. Let's get this DJI in the air here. I guess you can see that. Set him right here. Come on, baby. All right, I'm recording.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off.
All right, follow me, buddy.
What comes after
Gotta let you say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Living on the way, don't you know I'm up? So up, so up. If you wanna wake up, there's places I could take you. Lost in the dream of what comes after the afterlife. Boom, bap, body like a bass drop. Gon' give it to you, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum.
Incoming. Hit me, baby, one more time. All right, I got all the sanding discs. I'll sit this in the shade. Oh yeah, let me set it in the shade. All right, let's see if it works this time. It's so jacked up, man. I don't know if I just forgot to press record or it just died because of heat, but it might have died because of heat. But all right,